Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the PT18G Pneumatic brad nailer. First, make sure the air supply is disconnected. Then you need to release the magazine by pressing the latch and pulling it open. Next, open the front latch and pull open the front door. Then clear the jam with a screwdriver. Slide a strip of brad nails through the front door opening to make sure all jam nails have been removed. Next, close the front door latch. Insert a full strip of nails into the magazine. Slide the magazine closed until it locks in place. Reconnect the air supply hose. Now you can get back to work.